Eating here. We got the dog faces. We got Mango. We got Momo. Mango is eating up a star. Mango. Yeah, he like the food. Momo is eating. Sugar Bear is eating. We got Loose eating. Come on, mommy. Come on, mommy. Where's this? Where's it? Oh, fork. Where's the fork at? Come on. Come on. You gotta eat the baby. You're gonna eat the food.
She likes when I eat it, so I'll put it on my finger.
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
You're gonna eat.
Little miss.
Oh. Okay. We wanna get her into the bowl. There we go. See?
Oh,
and
that's training then.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So that's kind of like getting yeah, there we go.
Oh, baby.
And then she's gonna eat. And then we're gonna put it down like that.
Hey.
Right? And then they can learn. Yeah.
You're eating.
And this one.
Your brother.
Oh, this is sister. Alright, so there we go. Put it in. We'll put it up here. Yeah, put it in that face. Get the baby. Get the baby. Get the baby. Okay? Get the baby. I think she might be. You want any more? Everybody else eating, right? Everybody else eating. Sugar Bear eating. Momo eating. Mango eating.
Not in the bowl.
Not in the bowl. No, definitely not in the bowl. No.
Get in there, huh?
There's a pet peeve. No in the bowl.
Right?